Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about AI scatter plot. So inside the scatter plot, we will discuss about data collection, scatter plot and the graphs. These are the few points that are available. So what is data collection? We have already know what is the data collection means. So collecting data is the most important part of the machine intelligence project because the most common data to collect are numbers and measurements. So often data are stored in arrays representing relationship between values. So if we are going to plot anything, we requires number for that, right? So we require the data so that then only we will be able to plot something, right? So collection of data is a very important part of the scatter plot. Okay, so these are the few points that I have mentioned here. You can write it on your notebook, so you will be able to understand. The most common data that is available in data collection is number and measurements. We have to be very accurate with our numbers and the measurement that we are going to write about our data. Okay, so the next thing we are having after the data collection is to whatever the data you have collected, you have to plot those data, right? So you have taken the values of all the data that you have right now. So the scatter plot has a point scattered over an area representing the relationship between the two values. Okay, so here you have to plot those value that you have taken from the data. That is what the scatter plot called. Okay, so these are the points for the scatter plot. I hope you understood. The next thing we are having, after the plotting the points, you have to create a graph. Then only your graph will be completed. So a graph can also be used to show the same value. Sometimes it shows the same value, so it will be in the same line. So when to use a scatter point? These are the when we require the scatter point. So first, if we having the big picture, or when we need to compare different values, discover the potential trend, and these are the few kinds of values that are available. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to AI. Thank you so much.